Hello again, I'm Dr. Sergis from the Dr. Sergis Academy, and today I'd like to finish off that last question that we're doing in converting a recurring decimal fraction into a normal fraction. So if you recall the last question that we did, and I promised that we'll finish it off, and that was one of these set of past exam type questions, which was converting this recurring decimal into a normal fraction. So notice that when we write the little dot above the figure, it refers to the fact that that figure, the number itself below the dot, means it repeats itself. So the 0.34 with the recurring dot, recurring digit there, refers to the fact that the last figure, the 4, repeats itself. Okay, so 0.34 with the recurring notation here with a dot refers to the fact that the last figure, in this case 4, repeats itself, as we explained in the last video. So what we want to do is we want to convert a recurring decimal into a normal fraction. So we say, just like we did in the previous questions that we did these, yeah? So let's say let x equal 0.34 recurring, okay? Now we want to get rid of the recurring number, which is 4. We want to get rid of the recurring number 4. So the trick is, if you times by 10, then we get the decimal point moves once to the right, so we get 3.4 recurring. And if I write down the dots refer to the fact that the 4 recurs infinitely. And if we now multiply our recurring decimal by 100, then we move the decimal point twice to the right, so we get again that recurring number which repeats itself, which is 4. So we've got 100x equals 34.4 recurring. Now all that remains is to get rid of the recurring number, the 4. So if we take away 10x, where x represents the recurring decimal, we take away 10x both sides. So 10x is minus 3.4 recurring. Then 100x take away 10x is 90x. Remember, what you do one side in the equation, you do the same with the other. So in this case, we're taking 10x, take away 10x both sides from 100x. So now again, so 100 take away 10x is 90x. 34.4 recurring, take away minus 3.4 recurring is 31. Yeah, because 10x is 3.4 recurring and 100x is 34.4 recurring. If we take away the 2, we get 90x equals 31, from which we find x to be 31 over 90, and there are no common factors. So as a normal fraction, x is 31 over 90, but also x is 0.34 recurring. So 0.34 recurring as a normal fraction is 31 over 90. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you.